There's a massive storm about to hit us here in Tampa, Florida, and I need to take my sweat tent down very fast. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to take your sweat tent down and move it to a safe place in the event, oh my gosh, in the event there's a massive windy storm coming your way. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to just go ahead and open up the tent. Oh my gosh, things have just been moving around in here. You can see my exhaust. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing's going. I gotta get this down. All right, so we're gonna go inside. The first thing we're gonna do, hopefully you don't have your fire on. That's gonna be a problem. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the benches. These benches are pretty easy to move. I'm gonna try to move everything out of inside my sweat tent. I'm gonna go throw them in the garage, and then we're going to take the tent down itself. So the only thing I have left is the stove and a few pieces of wood that I'm gonna grab. Now you may have noticed that I have two different style benches. One is the original bench, so you can't really dismantle that too much. But the new bench, if you've purchased a sweat tent in the past couple months, this actually has fold up legs and it's really, really a nice upgrade. So I have both benches. I would probably like to upgrade to both of those in the near future. Now before I take the wood, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the top tier of the exhaust. And what's cool is like these all come off and they'll stack inside the stove. Next thing I'm gonna do is just gonna take all this off. All right, all that's off. I have a lot of ash in here. Go dump that. You don't want ash flying around. It's about to. Okie dokie. Dump that. Throw these pieces in there. They will all go in, which is pretty cool. To get everything to work. All right, now the stove, you got these handles here, and then you can actually take those legs at the bottom and they'll actually fold if you need to fit it into the little bag it comes with. But I'm not gonna do that because I just need to move this thing quickly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it out here. Now the inside is totally cleared out. I've got all my pieces over here, my bench, my stove, all the little tiny pieces that I have in there. The ants are gonna be super sad. They were probably looking forward to the shelter. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the actual tent itself down. So taking the tent down is actually pretty easy. What I like to do is go ahead and zip up the doors. And if you have all of the Velcroed pieces to the windows, put them on now. It's probably a good time to go ahead and throw them on. I don't have all that with me. I actually have it in storage because I don't need it because I'm not moving it very often. And all you do is you just start pushing these corner pieces around the tent in. And it's gonna make it look squished. Now it should fold. It should start to fold, and then you push the top down. And you just find two corners, push it down, find two more corners, push it all together, and literally the whole thing just kind of does it on its own. Very easy. It's gonna more than likely seem like it's inside out when you get all the pieces in. And now is about the time where you're gonna wanna grab the bag and the ties that it came with, tie your tent up, throw it in the bag, and go ahead and put it away for safekeeping, or throw it in the back of your truck. For now, I'm gonna go throw mine in the garage, and yeah, the tent is gone, safe from the storm. That, my friends, is a very quick lesson, and I took that thing down, and honestly, for me, I know for you it might seem like a little bit longer, but I was able to take that entire thing down in less than 5 minutes. Everything's gone and everything's put away. And now the storm can come and hopefully go and not destroy my backyard or any of y'all's. Hope everybody's safe. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. Like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless.